Subtracting algebraic terms. When we're subtracting algebraic terms, it's often written as simplifying because we can't come up with an exact answer. Simplifying just means, in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Can we write this expression with less than 5 terms? And what we're going to try and do is to look to see if we can gather together any like terms. By the look of things, we have the number 7 here, and the number 9 and minus 3. Those numbers can all be combined together and simplified. We also have a minus 2x and a plus 6x. They can also be combined together. Let's see what's happening. We'll put the numbers in a bracket to keep them clear and together. So 7 plus a 9 minus a 3. And in the other section, we have a minus 2x plus a 6x. These simplify down. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 take away 3 is 13. And here, minus 2x plus 6x. If we're down at minus 2 and we add 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we end up at 4. The simplification has taken us down to 2 terms only, 13 plus 4x.